Hi guys, today is the first time to try these. There's rocket, raspberry, comic punch, and black hole cherry. Let's open it. Hey guys, once I open it, I saw something pink in it. Oh my god, that smells so good. Let's get it. Oh my god, we don't know, it's a mystery when you bite it. Let's do one. This is blueberry. Oh, look at my tongue. Let's try another mystery. Two. It's blueberry again. Oh, it's about the taste. Okay, bye.